Hopefully you have earbuds. Answer each question in a complete sentence. How much ice cream can you put into this cone? Okay. Blank amount of ice cream can be put in this cone. Okay. To find how much can fit in there, you do volume. Volume of a cone. Remember this, guys, for tomorrow. 4/3. Nope, that's a sphere. It's pi r squared times height divided by 3. So volume equals pi 3.14. I need to see these steps. Everything you put in your calculator, I need to see. Radius of 5 squared times the height of 6.5 divided by 3. Okay, I need to see your answer for this one because you're going to put that in your calculator. So make sure 5, I'm using my calculator now, times 5 squared times 6.5 equals 510.25. Divide that by 3. You get volume is 170.83 with the 3 repeating. So the volume is 170.83 centimeters cubed. Amount of ice cream can be put, that much amount of ice cream be put in there. Okay. Which pool can hold the most water? Okay, similar to the ones you had yesterday. This, I believe this was the same. Let's do it again. Volume of a cylinder or can is pi r squared times height. So 3.14 times 12 squared times the height. Put that in your calculator. 3.14 times 12 squared, then times 12 again. You get 5,425.92 feet cubed. That's how much water can be held in there. Okay. This one, volume equals length times width times height. Now, this is what I need to see on tomorrow's test, is that you put the formula in each one, write the numbers. I don't want answers only, okay? Otherwise, no calculators if you can't write the steps, okay? You multiply all that together. 20 times 10 times 15, you get 3,000. Still smaller than that cylinder. Okay, so the round pool holds more water than the rectangular pool. I need you to be able to know your shapes. The round pool holds more water than the rectangular pool. I need you to know the difference between a rectangle and a square. Some students call this a square. It's not a square. By 2,425.92 feet cubed. So it holds a lot more, even though the dimension seems smaller. How much air is in the ball? Okay, we're finding volume. Volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Volume equals 4 times 3.14 times, this is the diameter, radius is 10. 10 cubed, divide that by 3. Okay. You're going to put this in the calculator, so I need to know the answer to that. Okay. Well, that's 12,560. You divide that by 3. You get volume equals to 4186.67 inches cubed. Don't forget the inches cubed. Okay, what's the volume of this one? Again, yet volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Don't forget the formula. Okay, this is already radius. Do not divide that by 2. Use the 6. This is already a radius. Volume equals 4 times 3.14 times 6 cubed divided by 3. On your calculator, do 4 times 3.14 times 6 cubed. You get 2,000, this answer. Make sure I'm looking for the step tomorrow, the answer. Don't skip the step. 2712. If you do, I take off a point right here if you miss the step. Divide that by 3. I need this answer from here like that. Okay, if you don't watch the video, you won't remember. And I will take off a point. Don't be upset. Volume equals to 904.32 inches cubed. Okay, so make sure that you do that in this one. How much can the cone hold? Hi, I'm ice cream. The cone can hold up to, let's find out how much. Volume is 1/3 pi r squared times h. And the 1 become invisible, so that's why we put only divide by 3. Volume equals 3.14 times radius. The radius in this case is 4.5 squared, then times the height. The height in this case is 7. And then you get your answer and you divide it by 3. Get this answer right here. So calculator times 4.5 squared times 7. And I have, V equals 445.095. Divide that by 3. You get volume equals 148.37 rounded, right? So the cone can hold up to 148.37 feet cubed of ice cream. Okay. Find the volume of the figure below. Okay. Well, oops, I forgot the number 60 at the bottom here. All right. Find the volume of a rectangular prism first. Rectangle, not a square, because all sides are different here. A square would be all sides are the same. Okay, we do that by length times width times height. Length times width, 60 times 50 times height is 54. We get our answer. 60 times 50 times 54. We got to let 162,000 inches cubed, okay, minus the one, oh, what happened? Minus the one hole. That hole has a radius of 10, and this is its height right here, which is 54. Okay, so this is volume equals pi r squared times the height. V equals to 3.14 times the radius, which is 10 squared, times the height, which is 54. Put that in your calculator. Get your answer. I don't know if my answer is right. Let's do it again. 3.14 times 10 squared times 54. Yeah, that's what I got. Okay. That volume is 16,956. And then at the end, this is a whole. You subtract that together. Use your calculator. And you put the remaining volume is, okay, you have a calculator, put it in there. All right, and then this one right here, below is a large brick. The construction person put 2 holes into a brick to add a supporting post. What is the remaining volume? What is the volume of the remaining brick? Okay, the volume of the remaining brick is the volume of what's left. What's left, because it asks for what it means, what's left of the brick after 2 holes is, okay, let's find out. Okay, volume of a rectangular, okay, rectangle. So if you put rectangle, I'm fine. Just don't put square, because half of you putting square, or at least less now. This is a rectangle. It's called rectangular prism, by the way. It's length, width times height. 40 times 6 times 10. Yeah, 2400. And then there's the two circles. And the height is not 10. Oh my goodness. Switch these two around. The height is 6. The height is 6, not 10, because it's laying sideways. The height is 6. So if you want to change this around, the width is 10, the height is 6. Okay, so you know these heights are 6. This is 8 and 8. All right, pi r squared times height, 3.14 times 8 squared times 6. Okay, do that on your calculator. 3.14 times 8 squared times 6. I get 1005.76. And this is the same, these two are the same shape. So I write it again right here. Uh-oh, we have a problem. The holes, oh, I see my mistake. Because my hole ended up being bigger than the brick, and that can't be. My mistake is this is not the radius. The radius should have been 4. I hope you caught my mistake before you finish. If not, you can erase and redo, right? Like I'm doing. Erase and redo the answer. Okay? So 3.14 times 4 squared times 6. You have 301.44. And this is the exact same shape. 301.44. Subtract them up from this one. Subtract them because it's a hole. And then you'll get what's left. Put your answer right here. Do not forget to put inches cubed at the end of your answer, what's remaining. Okay?